Yeah. Have you come here freely and without reservation to marry? Nagsama ako makakit.
I do.
Just answer, I do. No talaga, I do. And do you take Carmina to be your lawful wife?
I do.
Nagsama, awa makakit. Awa makakit. Awan sayang nag-witness na dito. Nagpipintas si Baduda. And do you promise before God and these witnesses to love her unconditionally, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others?
I do.
And do you promise to be her in all things, a true and faithful husband for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
And lastly, do you promise to live a godly life and follow Jesus Christ for the rest of your life to the best of your ability and to be a spiritual leader to your home?
I do.
Okay, to Sister Carmina. Sister Carmina, same question. Have you come here freely and without reservation to marry?
I do.
And do you take John Wick to be your lawful husband?
I do.
And do you promise before God and these witnesses to love him unconditionally, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others?
I do.
And lastly, do you promise to submit to John Reed being your husband and follow Jesus Christ and the Word of God to the best of your ability in being godly wife to your husband John Reed and a godly mother to your future children?
I do.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we will now proceed to the exchanging of vows. No. So before that, siguro daming premier na dito. Technology na ito. Dati surat lang sa papel. Nga, naka-cellphone na. Nga. So, baka hindi rami, nagarami na or a week before, hindi rami nagsabalin. Nga, nagsabalin. So before that, I would like you to remember this passage, Brother John and Sister Carmina. In the Numbers, in the book, in the Bible, Numbers 30, verse 2 and 3, it says, if a man vow a vow unto the Lord, or swear an oath to bind his soul with a band, he shall not take or break his word. He shall do according to all that proceeded out of his mouth. And in verse 3 it says also for the woman, if a woman also vow a vow unto the Lord, and bind herself by a band, being in his father's house in her youth. Okay, so yung ating mag-assist, ating microphone. Okay, so you can now take your vows. So first, I will request our groom na sabihin na ngayon no, yung kanilang vow sa isa't isa. And take note, yung ating mga sponsors and witnesses, dinggin nyo na like dito eh. Madam na, sigiriyo to, kaya Brother John. At the same time, sigiriyo to, kaya Sister Carmina, na datong baling dating about that. Okay? Brother John? Carmina, first of all, sama mo.